Kiwayomo oyo korete amatemwa ye class kya gatano na gatatu asereta Emily Kerbondieki kore ntachi gosoa ase school ya secondary kubwatukana nobutaka obubwatete e amate yabo ni gobono anyoriro bokonyi bwo gochia kwegendereria na masomaye eyamagega yo mwarimu monene we school ya secondary ya Ibacho amona bateneni be school eyo komwanchira gochia gosoa school eyo ire kwegendereria bya asa masomayo mnanda mange ni gotwariganire numurikeito Brighton Makori.
Nonye serikali kendete kubika imirubiri ya bene erikwene kimuna ngusirire gisemi asense yetu ya Kenya mbare goikabono bataraikera gisemi echo. Omwana Emily Kerbondieki nigo yabeiro bosoku anene ekero anyaririga kobaisiko gesaga korete amatemwa ye kirasi kya gatano na gatatu abu asanyorete amagisichimisato emeronge 52 nomo kurende niga beirigeka ekeratanya kugenda eskuru. Bono omwana oyo niga bwatogosemeria maiga y'omwarimu monene bw'eskuru ya Ibacho Viribochoi amo ne committee y'eskuru eyo barigireti nambuya baende boyo omwana oyo na gochaka masomaye ase eskuru eyo.
The parents were not able to bring her forth that they were not able to pay school fees. She did her examination from Nairobi where the parents were staying. And they had their own challenges. They were not able to raise school fees and make arrangements for her to go to school. Until the grandparent, who is standing on my left, came to my school to tell me that the grandchild is in school and at home and she's not able to join secondary school. So in my capacity as a principal of the school and as a father and a person who has got the heart to assist human beings where we can, I've offered her an opportunity to be in our school.
Mokonyi bu mwarimu monene bwe school eyo ya Ibacho Benina Maugo nere niganyareka otabuna ekera abana bakohendera kubaisiko nige koboboso kuwa bonene anene omwana omunyaruka asaboririe ababwatani abaya gose bali bwatomo yo muya kumusira omwana oyo kogendera na masomo aye.
As you know, girl child has got many problems, especially when she's left at home. There are so many challenges. There are men who are looking for her. Even when she wants to move out of the compound, it becomes so hard. How I pray that friends and relatives and anywhere wishers, please assist this girl so that she can be able to go to school and possibly where she will be a border so that she can avoid these many challenges that she might get on the way when she's going to school.
Josuba Digisemba nsokoro yaye omwana oyo iga ekwerabuna nigo babwateme chando emenene eyi yaireremna omwana oyo kobaisiko aseka egatindi.
Huyu tuko naye hapa ni mjukuu yangu. Yeye yuko kwa shule. Alikuwa anasoma standard, alimaliza 8. Bila alimaliza 8 mpaka kwa wakati huu hajaenda shule kwa sababu ya karo. Kwa hivyo sasa ndio mimi nashughulikia tu, naangalia huko na huko, sina namna, sina kitu. Mali ile nilikuwa naye imeisha. Mimi ni mgonjwa, mama ni mgonjwa, hatuna nguvu yoyote. Na ule papa yao alikuwa na yeye ana kazi.
Ngolipoteli egetaseni Candice TV iretherane Brighton Makori.